guys, so today we're going to be installing the new wing of the Q50. This is the Duckbill. It's carbon fiber. Check it out. Real carbon fiber. So yeah, let's see how it looks. I got it from eBay. It was on like $120. It only took like 2 weeks to get here, not bad. But let's see the fitment and everything. Alright, so make sure you put a lot of double-sided tape on it so it doesn't fly away. Maybe there's a little bit of overkill, but fuck it. You don't want this shit to fly away and hit another car and be in fucking trouble. So yeah, let's see how it looks. So make sure you're mark the spots where you want it to be. Or you have the spot marked over here. There's one over here. That's where it's gonna go. Pretty much just take off the tape, put it in. So let's see how it turns out. Alright guys, so it's done. So that's how it looks. To be honest, not that the fitment and the quality for 120 bucks. Hey, it was 120 because it was special. But right now I think it's like 150, but still, man, I think it looks really good. Look at that. Check it out. There's no big gaps or anything like that. So yeah. Not bad. Let me know what else you want to see up with the car. I've done the rims. What else? Rims. I've done the front lip. It has window tint on it. It's freaking limo tint. The rear diffuser also. The exhaust. It's just a muffler delete with custom pipes. Not pipes, tips. Custom tips. Yeah, and the wing. Hopefully in the future I want to put some coilovers or bags, but bags are expensive, so most likely coilovers. So yeah, that's pretty much it, my build for right now.